If you use Windows PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to stop Microsoft from spying on your Windows PC. A privacy tips you need to know if you are a Windows PC user. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your window icon. Right click on it and make sure you look for settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy. Under the privacy, make sure you go to diagnostics and feedback. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch to require diagnostic data. Set only info about your devices, its settings and capability, and whether it is performing properly. Simply switch this. It's that simple. And with that, Microsoft will not be able to spy on you or track every activities or website you visit so far on your Windows PC. And this is one of the best ways to protect and maintain your privacy when you are a Windows PC user. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to maintain your privacy in Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.